What's up with it, YouTube? This is TK with Cuts by Kelly. We're going to do an unboxing of the Gamma Protégés. It's a combo pack, which simply means we will get the clipper and a trimmer when we purchase this item for about 160 US dineros. So, if you like this video and this content, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you subscribe, make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell too while you're at it. So with that, we're going to get into the video. One thing I want to point out, with these clippers, they're saying there's a mini USB rechargeable. What that basically is, the old school Android charging wire. You can use that to charge these clippers. Yeah, I thought that was cool. So that's a little sneak peek of the clipper. So let's unbox them. Yeah. Okay, here is the packaging. I'm not, the stickler on this. Y'all know some people want the best package ever. It's a box with my clippers in it. So here's the packaging. It's just normal. I'm gonna throw it away anyway, so it don't matter to me. But I know some people are really into this thing. So this is the Gamma Protégés, and obviously it comes with the clipper and the trimmer. Now here on the side we can see the abilities. We got modular capabilities. You have the click taper control. You have the mini USB rechargeable. You're able to zero gap your blade, and also the 4-hour cordless runtime. We can't change the skins on here, the modular capabilities, because we got the combo pack. If you buy them by themselves, you can do that. On this one, we got those same capabilities. You can remove the drop top and do the skeleton option. I think that's cool. You can zero gap, you got the 4-hour runtime, and you charge it with your USB. Now the skeleton option, I will have to show you on another video how that is done. This is how the clipper looks in the box. Mine was broke, my plastic, but the clipper is all good, so I wasn't complaining. So here's the cutting clipper, and we have our trimmer. Okay, here's the USB charging card. There are two, one for the trimmer and one for the clipper. Both of them are the same, so it's interchangeable from the clipper to the trimmer. They are like 10 feet long each. I think that's cool. So I like those. Here is the problem though, you only get one plug. I feel like they should have had two plugs because you got two clippers. And if both of them go dead around the same time, you're going to need another plug to be able to charge the other clipper. So if there is a bummer in here, this is one of them, because you only have one plug with two cords and two clippers. The guard system, we have 0, that's the 1/16, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's for our clippers, and then we have our trimmer guards as well. That's 1/2, 1, and 1/2. I feel that's all you would need. You don't need any more, nothing less. Now, it comes with this clipper oil as well as the cleaning brush, and that is the skeleton option there in the middle. Here is the grip. I think the ergonomics of this clipper is awesome. It feels just like the walls will feel, and here's the sound. So that was the click taper control right there on the side, and you heard the sound. So you shouldn't have any problem with knowing where you're at in the fade with that click taper control. Like I mentioned before, I feel like the ergonomics of this clipper is awesome. I'm an Andis person, but I do understand that wall ergonomics is better than the Andis with their cordless clipper, and so Gamma copied them with theirs, and I think that was an awesome job. So this is the Gamma Protégés. Like I said, it's a combo pack. I'm going to use the clipper and cut with it. Then I'll make another video so you can see my opinion on how good they cut. I think they're going to be pretty good, and I'll make some zero gapping as well as the skeleton video. So that's it. I hope that was helpful to you. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. This TK with Cuts by Kelly, and I appreciate you.